Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin pumping the account at 525,000. If you've been following the journey of this account on Bybit, up from 150,000 US dollars, now more than 500,000. I'm going to show you my Bitcoin trades. I'm going to do technical analysis on Bitcoin. I'm going to do technical analysis on the total market cap of all cryptos because I found something very, very important for cryptocurrency. So make sure you watch through to the end. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. TSM, look at this. Tech stocks had an amazing day yesterday. TSM up 7%. I bought TSM. If you followed my buy orders, I bought TSM down at the bottom at $59. 121% gain from the bottom. 121% on tech stock, which is beautiful. Tesla was up, World was up, FXS was up, Google was up a little bit, MCRT was up a little bit. Bitcoin at 45,233. Huge pump on Bitcoin, exactly as I predicted, following my red dotted line that I drew on the, if you remember my videos, I drew this red dotted line on the 29th of February, and Bitcoin is following it perfectly. We're actually higher than my red dotted line, but moving up to my target, 46K. We broke out of my beautiful symmetrical triangle that I talked about in videos about 1 week ago. Builds pressure, broke out 70% on the move at 5 a.m. on the 8th of February, exactly as I predicted, and it broke out and hit my perfect target. Look at that, it hit my white line target perfectly. Look at that, exactly hitting that target, amazing, which was the base of this symmetrical triangle. Now let's zoom out. We have heavy resistance around this area at 45. Let's go further. Let's see what's happening. Let's go out first to the weekly. Weekly, we have a lot of resistance around this area at the 45K. You can see here, there's a lot of resistance. All this area was support before, is now turned into resistance. It's still showing me a bull flag on the weekly candle. Stochastic is turning up. Bitcoin in Crypto Guru Bot, which you get in the Crypto Master Course, fired a blue buy back on the February 2023 at 20,000. It fired a blue buy, and it's still a blue buy. You get the Crypto Guru Bot in the Crypto Master Course number 2 in the description. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a sell at 48K. It did not yet fire a buy. It fired a buy back down here at 25K. Still bull flag, still going up in that channel. When we zoom in, you can see this channel that's playing out. This is daily candles. Each candlestick represents one day. You learn in depth all of this in the Stock Guru Mastercourse and the Crypto Mastercourse. More than 20 hours of lessons. And you can see here Bitcoin trending between this channel, bouncing on the first to second corrective wave. Now I think we're in the second to third Elliott impulse, which takes us to 61K in my opinion. But the top of the channel is first. My trade, the trades out of this symmetrical triangle played perfectly. First target 49K. Where would I go long right now? I would go long on a pullback to support areas, which would be here now. With a tight stop loss, 44,000. Could even pull back. I would say the area of major support, the major area of support is here. Tight stop loss. So this is the trade I'll take on Bitcoin, opening at 44,488. Stop loss 44,141. First target 49K, second target 61K. Risk to reward ratio is 48 times. 48 times, risking $346 to make $16,939. Risking $346 to make $16,939 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $169,000, 100x leverage, 1.69 million. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Again, opening at 44488. If you want to trade Bitcoin like you're going to see me do underneath this video, go down underneath the video. One is the exchanges that I use. Bybit gives you a 30,000 US dollar bonus when you use this link and meet their trading requirements. BingX is stock and crypto trading, and it's USA friendly. 2, you have to do your own due diligence. 2, take the Crypto Master Course, the Stock Guru Master Course, where you can learn all of this in depth, and you get the Crypto Guru Bot and the Stock Guru Bot, the Bitcoin Indicator Bot in the Crypto Master Course, and then join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 traders. My Bitcoin trade is currently $56,856 in the profits. $56,821, 459% on my Bitcoin trade. The funding fee is so low. I'm getting paid to keep my Bitcoin trade open. The funding fee is now negative 0.01. This is very big news. The funding fee is now negative, and my Bitcoin trade is $56,833 in the profits, 460%. I already took 11,660 profit. So I've actually made on this trade so far $68,000 profit on this trade. $68,000 profit in this trade with the already realized and the unrealized. $68,000 profit, 6 Bitcoin trade, and I'm getting paid to keep this trade open. This account as well, 525,000. If you've been following this account, 525,394 US dollars, 525,366 US dollars. If you've been following the journey of this account, I started at $150,000 mid last year, and now we're at 525,000 US dollars, which is beautiful. In here, I'm holding Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin, $90,000, up 1.6%, USDT 74,000, Doge, I've got 57,000, about even FXS, I've got 54,000, down 2%, Uniswap 45,000, 1%, MCRT 41,000, up 1%, Pocket, I've got 26,000, up 2%. I want to buy more Pocket. I'm going to buy another $5,000 of Pocket on support. So I'm going to check out where a support line is. 23 cents. I want to buy more Pocket. This project is highly recommended to me by a very trusted developer builder in the space, and he's very bullish on Pocket, and I want to be he was the one that recommended me Cubic. He's a super pro developer, founder of Pontum. So you have to do your own due diligence. You have to consult your brokers, your financial professionals. But I've been buying a lot of Pocket on his recommendation. We have big support here at 23 cents, but major support at 20 cents. So I'm going to buy more. I'm going to buy another $10,000 of Pocket. I'm too heavy, actually, $5,000 of Pocket. I'm too heavy in the market right now at 20 cents. At 20 cents, I'm buying another $5,000 of Pocket, which is beautiful. And what else am I holding? And I've got Wild in here, 11,900, up 1.8%, and Sui, 1,200%, which is beautiful. Over in the Telegram, everyone's trading together. There's 9,000, and you can see they're discussing this interview. The interview with Tucker Carlson and Putin came out, and everyone in the Telegram is discussing this and how this BRICS could be the new world. They're talking about new world order with this BRICS state. You can come and follow their trades, follow all the trade discussions, conversations. This is just conversations that people are having today in the Telegram. Number 3 in the description. It's completely free. Some of the game students had 300%. On Gala, 167%, 200%. Congratulations, so many gains. Beautiful. That's my updates in the market, everyone. I'm going to keep it short on that. Make sure you watch that Tucker Carlson Putin interview on Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter and watch that there. Congratulations, everyone that bought Bitcoin. This account, 525,000 US dollars, up from 150,000 US dollars. I bought the dip, which was beautiful. If you followed my buys, the join button down below, I literally bought the dip on Bitcoin. You can see my Bitcoin buys. I want to show you these. They were perfect. So this is my Bitcoin buys. This is the chart. And you can see my buys on Bitcoin were literally on the bottom. My Bitcoin buy was on the bottom. I caught that Bitcoin buy perfectly, which is beautiful. Congratulations, everyone. Subscribe, follow, subscribe, hit the bell toner on so you get notified every Bitcoin trade. And in the next video, I'm going to do Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'll try to do Tesla. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.